Hi everyone. Which poet is considered to be a nature lover in English literature? William Wordsworth is considered to be a nature lover in English literature. Throughout his poetic career, he worshipped nature. In fact, he devoted himself to nature. Most of his poems are based on the beauty of nature. He found solace and inspiration by immersing in nature. In the next video, we are going to talk about his famous poems on nature and its beauty and try to take out the hidden meaning from his poems which are based on nature. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.